Hey everyone, welcome back! Now the Kieslect K10 Smartwatch that we're going to unbox and review in this video promises a premium build quality while retaining a reasonable price tag. So let's see if it lives up to those claims. So the Kieslect K10 Smartwatch arrives in this compact box that contains all the accessories. Inside the box we get a USB charging cable and a very detailed user manual that has information about the main functions of the smartwatch. So here we have the Kieslect K10 Smartwatch itself. In front we have the beautiful 1.32-inch semi-AMOLED display, we'll check it in just a minute. The outer case is made of zinc alloy metal, the back is made of skin-friendly lightweight polycarbonate and the whole smartwatch weighs only 57 grams. The smartwatch is also IP68 rated, which means it's waterproof. The straps are made from a soft and durable silicone and they're quite comfortable to wear. On the back there's the heart rate sensors and the connector points for charging. We can also see the pins holding the straps, and yes, you can change them with a different model. So I've turned on the smartwatch and let's go through its menu and basic functions. As I said earlier, we have a sharp and bright 1.32-inch semi-AMOLED display with 360 by 360 resolution. There are several brightness levels, the display colors are bright and vivid, we have a wide viewing range, and the screen is also scratch resistant. I've been wearing the Kieslect for almost 2 weeks non-stop, and as you can see, there are still no scratches whatsoever. So when you swipe up, we get to this little menu where you can adjust the screen brightness, reset or turn off the device. There are several pre-installed watch faces that you can choose from, and the mobile app that you install on your phone, you have the option to choose from many more watch face designs. I will show you towards the end of the video. When you swipe left, you get to a sort of main menu. Here you can find the training tab with a total of 30 different sports modes. A status tab giving you information about the number of steps made, distance traveled and calories burned. As you can see, the scrolling animation looks really smooth and there's absolutely no delay or stutter. When you swipe to the right, we get to the status menu, which you probably use the most. We have a 24 hours heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen level, information about the weather, sleep monitoring and music player controls for your mobile device. So guys, I've been wearing and testing the Kieslect K10 Smartwatch for almost 2 weeks now, and the watch feels really well built. It's comfortable and lightweight and I didn't face any software issues. I forgot to mention we get regular firmware updates, which is really awesome. This strap has enough holes and you can find the perfect fit for your wrist size. Overall, it's a very comfortable smartwatch to wear. As you can see, this smartwatch uses a magnetic cable to charge the 330 mAh battery, which is enough for 30 days of standby or around 10 days of normal day-to-day use. You'll need a 5V 1A charging adapter to charge the smartwatch. Make sure not to use a high voltage charger to keep the battery of your smartwatch running longer. And guys, to use the smartwatch's full potential, you have to install the GloryFit app on your mobile device. On the app's home screen, you can find more detailed information like 24-hour heart rate recording, sleep quality analysis and blood oxygen record. On the Sports tab, you can track your workout and training session progress, and you can add many different exercises. For example, you can set target distance, duration or calories burned. Under the Device tab, you can find most of the options such as app permissions, reminders, alarms, etc. Here you can also change the appearance of your smartwatch by choosing a different watch face design. These are some of the designs that I've already used, and there are plenty of options to choose from. So all in all guys, I'm pretty happy with how the Kieslect K10 feels. It's comfortable to wear, has plenty of functions that you could need in your daily activities, and the best part is the price. You can get the watch for just around $50. You'll find links in the video description, so be sure to check them out. So that's it for this video guys, feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below and see you all next time.